Hi, I'm Andrew Chermark, founder of VeriDrive Insurance Agency. Welcome back to our Road to Savings, top safe driving tips to lower your insurance premiums. Let's dive into today's tips to help you drive safer and save money on insurance. Tip 3, maintain a safe following distance. Keep a safe distance between your car and the vehicle ahead. This gives you more time to react to sudden stops and changes in traffic. Tip number 4, use driving signals. Always signal your intentions to other drivers. This simple action can prevent misunderstandings and collisions. Thanks for watching VeriDrive's Road to Savings. Remember, safe driving not only protects you and your loved ones, but also helps you save money on your insurance. Stay tuned for more in the next episode.